Alright, Tail and Bluebird, are you ready to go to the store? Yeah, we're ready. Yeah, we're ready. Alright. Hey, Nani. Hey, Nani. Hey, Nani. What is it, Tail? Can you put on some magic? I don't even like listening to the radio. Besides, I don't know what channel magic's on. But when Papa and Aiden and Dominic came to get me, they turned on magic. Well, that's Papa and Dominic's favorite station in Ohio, so I don't know what to tell you. When you're in the car with me, I don't like music. Fine. I guess I'll just listen to it with my headphones on. You have headphones? Yes, I have headphones. Give me some. No, get your own. I said give me some. Ah! Stop hitting me too! Boys! Stop hitting with each other, please! I'm sorry, Nani, I just got mad. I know you got mad. It's okay, Tail. But Bluebird, why did you ask Tail for headphones? Because I don't have any headphones. Well, if you guys want to fight over headphones, here, nobody gets headphones. Ah! Die, headphones, die! Nani, why the hell would you do that? Yeah, now we don't have any headphones. Wah! 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 Oh, that's enough! Both of you, stop! I'll turn this car around if you guys don't shut the hell up and leave me alone. Now shut the hell up and leave me the hell alone. Okay, we're sorry. We're sorry, Nani. Okay, now leave me alone. Hey, bud, I'm calmed down. What in the hell? You're so sexy, Dominic. Why in the hell would you bring her here? Oh, that's just my girlfriend, Carly. I know that, but why in the hell would you bring her if I'm mad about Tail? Papa, we're here because we want to see each other. God damn it, I can't do this. I'm gonna go blow my brains out. Sorry. Papa's just mad. Oh, I know. Now, ready to make out? I'm ready to make out. Okay, Tail and Bluebird, we're finally here at the store. Now, pick out whatever you want. Oh, I'm gonna get the mega-sized bird food. I'm gonna get the mega-size they have. No, you're not getting mega-sized shit. You're getting what I buy, okay? But Nani, that's not fair. I don't give a crap. I'm both of your Nannies, and Tail, I'm your mother. You shouldn't call me Nani. I'm sorry, I just want calling you Nani. Okay, let's stop yelling because we're about to go into the store. Let's calm this like civilized people. Alright, let's go to the store. Look, guys, they have birdie bait. That's for fishes, Diane. Tail, where the hell would you learn that? Papa taught me. How did Papa taught you this? Well, you were in the garage and Papa told you to hand you a tool, and you said, Papa got mad at you for handing him the wrong tool. Yeah, but that doesn't make you yell at me the same way. I am your mother, not your wife. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry for going to the fish aisle. I thought I was at the birdie aisle. It's okay, Nani. Alright. Here's the birdie aisle, boys. Birdie aisle? I'm getting that mega-sized big bird. Oh, I'm getting the mega-sized ultra bird. You two won't get mega-sized anything. You two let me handle the picking. You're gonna get whatever I buy. Does that understand? Does that make myself clear? No, I'm getting that extra bag, Nani. You don't control me. Yeah, I'm getting that extra bag too. You put your little damn balls on my Mega Dog bag. Did you just say that? Oh, you want to go? You want to go in the store? I think I do want to go in the store. I'll beat you up like I did last time. That's enough. Get off. Birds. That is enough. I am sick and tired of you goddamn birds always fighting. You want to fight in the car. You want to fight in the store. Oh, we're getting the hell out of here. And you want to hit me? You want to hit me? Oh, we're settling this on my car. You're making the whole store have a damn seat out of me. We're sorry, Nani, please. We're sorry. Oh, I am sick and tired. Be more quieter, Nani. I'm scared. Okay, I am sick and tired of you and Bluebird always making stuff and making messes that I have to clean up and causing trouble. And I sure as hell don't appreciate you and that little Bluebird causing trouble, picking a fight in the car, picking a fight in the store, causing a scene, and making just a complete fool out of me, and making a scene out of me. You should be ashamed of yourselves. We're sorry. We're sorry, Nani. We won't do that. Shut up! I don't want to hear it. Your papa's going to be very upset. And you, young man tail, your father's going to be very upset with you. God damn it, I can't understand this. Are you two done out here?
Huh?
Nothing. So, yeah. Papa's just a piece of a puzzle that just gets mad at stuff. Are you two done out here? Okay, Dominic, I'm gonna go. Papa's on his way and I don't want him to yell at me. Bye. Okay, you're done. Get out of my living room so I can watch TV. But Papa, we were gonna hang out and listen to the Motown. Listen, I don't care. I had a rough damn day and I just want to chill out. Can you please leave me alone? Go in the other room with that. We'll play with that later, okay? Alright. God damn. Get back inside, both of you. God Damn it, I'm pissed off. What's wrong with you, Nani? Oh, let me tell you, your son Tail and their grandson Bluebird made a complete fool of themselves inside the store. Wait, they made a complete fool of themselves? What'd they do? Well, I'll tell you what they did. This little Tail here wanted Magic 105.7, and I told him I don't listen to the radio in the car, and then he fucking got his headphones out. Everything was okay. And Bluebird wanted the headphones. So he told Tail, and Tail got mad at him. So they started fighting with each other in the car. Well, I don't know. Why did they do that? Papa, I just fucking explained it. All right. Let me tell you what they did otherwise. They also did, when we were in the store, right, they wanted a big bag of birdie food. And then I told them, no, they can't have that. And they started another damn fight in the store. And they made a scene out of me. They probably called the cops at this point. They make me look like a fool and a bad birdie owner and a bad grandma to Bluebird. I am sick and tired of these goddamn fucking birds on my goddamn car! Okay, well, you want to know what else? I found Dominic with his girlfriend, and he's in the fucking living room, and I couldn't watch TV, so that made me mad. Nani, I'm so fucking fed up right here, I can't even explain it. I'm fed up too, Ralph. How about we just go to bed? Okay, fine. Dominic, we're not playing Motown tonight. Me and Nani are both tired. We're pissed off. We're mad. We don't want to hear none of your shit tonight. Just behave. We'll be going to bed. Be good. Good night. All right. Oh, shoot, I forgot. God damn it. Ah! My God, why is my life suck so much? Oh, fuck. I forgot. I set up one more plank for Nani and Papa. God, I just can't handle it no more. I told you bringing the two birds would be a cause of disaster. This is like when we take Tail to RJ's house. He's good for a few hours, but then he causes nonsense and won't leave the damn bird the hell alone. I'm fucking mad about this, Nani. I'm mad about it too. You don't think I'm mad? He just caused the scene at the store, and now the cops are probably calling. The cops are probably on their way. Yeah, they are probably on their way. Ooh. Holy shit! Did somebody call the cops? I don't know. I'm not in charge of you. I don't know who called the cops. It better not have been Dominic, because if Dominic called the cops, then I'll be freaking mad. Hello? Yes, is this Nani's house? Yes, this is Nani's house. What do you think? What do you want? I just had a very bad day, and Papa had a bad day. What do you want? I'm so sorry you guys had a bad day. We're here. We're Brian May and Freddie here. Freddie's just gonna search your bed and your house for weed and drugs and stuff. And I think your car has some too. Wait. I don't have any drugs. Wait, so I think you got the wrong house. I don't have the long house. Step out of my way. Aha! I found drugs at the scene of the crime, Brian May. Come take these guys. No, no. Please. They're arresting me, Ralph. They're arresting me, Ralph. Help. Anything you say will be used against you anyway in the court of law. Shut your mouth. Whoa. What are you doing to my wife? She didn't do anything. Yeah. That's what she did? Bullcrap. She also did a whole lot of other things. Look. Jesus Christ, Nani, why would you do that? I did it. Dominic and his girlfriend must have did something. I'm gonna get that Dominic. Always you're going to jail and I'm not. Ho, you're not off the hook yet. We also found a stack of drugs in your car, and we also looked in your van, and we found more drugs. So I think you're going away for a long time too. No, please! God damn it! I don't know how we're gonna get out of this, Ralph. I don't know how we're gonna get out of this either. Dominic! Oh, shoot. I gotta go bail him out of jail. Officer!